पुणे से, पुणे वाले कहाँ है? नहीं, पुणे वाले नहीं है। नवी मुंबई से एक टीम आई है, राहुल जी, सुरेश जी एंड वन मोर झा साहब। झा साहब आप क्या काम करते हैं? पत्रकार जर्नलिस्ट। एक सर जरूर कीजिएगा, हिंदी में कुछ लिख के, एक व्यक्ति आए थे गुजरात से, उन्होंने हमें वो भी ज्वाइन करने वाले थे, उन्होंने बोला साहब एक थोड़ी सी मदद कीजिएगा, मुझे लिख के थोड़ा सा भेज दीजिएगा। तो आप अपने लिए कुछ ऐसा कुछ भी लिखे ना, उसका एक कॉपी दे दीजिएगा, तो उनको भी भेज दें। थैंक यू। मिस्टर दिनेंद्र फ्रॉम जमशेदपुर, he has come all the way from there, and that too in last minute, and that too without ticket or without reservation. Not without ticket. Without reservation. Raju has come from which place? Nanded. He has difficulty in seeing visually impaired, but still he has that courage and guts to be there, and he is saying at night that मैं इगतपुरी क्रॉस करने वाला हूँ। So suddenly Mr. Gireन्द्र talked to him, मैं क्रॉस करने वाला, बिना बताए क्रॉस करने वाले हो कैसे आओगे? Because after 8 or 9 the normal public transport doesn't travel here. So how to pick him up? And but what a coincidence! Exactly at that time, Dhanendra was getting down at Igatpuri from Jamshedpur. While he was coming from Jamshedpur from Gitanjali. Exactly at that time. And our driver, Mr. Pandey, he was about to pick him up. So he picked him also. This universal law is so perfect, so great. And I especially acknowledge Professor Liu, Ramji Saab, I was never expecting that you will spare your 3 days, and especially being the Bombay person, we get to be busy for something or something, and then you could I really appreciate that. It's huge, I must tell you. And Manish, you have come. That's very good. Ajay, you have come. We have the landlord is Mr. Thakur, Mr. and Mrs. Thakur, Gopi Estate, Gopi Estate. He has pharmaceutical company also. So Ajay is managing the pharmaceutical company, and Mr. Thakur is our relative in a sense. He was supposed to join this program today morning. He said, "Can I come little late?" And then we could not allow. He has missed the last this thing also, because he wanted some relaxation, and that our program doesn't permit. So we had to say that we can't allow that. But we were very insistent that he should do it, because it will really help a lot of people. He is a very good soul, spiritually highly enlightened, and he can make a huge difference to the humanity with the support of this program, certainly. So, Suresh, आप क्या करते हैं? Just benefit out.
Derivative strategies and access director.
So, and Mr. Rahul, I was sharing with you the example. Like Rahul is with us and doing very good. He has attended the first session. The 17, 18, 19 was the first semester at this place, residential program, and he attended, and I am happy that he is sharing with his friends and colleagues. The more we share the breakthrough or even breakdown, the more we get the advantage. A little bit I will share about myself. I am basically, because some of you don't know me, I am basically a mining engineer, passed out from Indian School of Mines, Dhanbad. And in 92, I was also the best orator of India in 92 by Association of Indian Universities, Government of India. And then joined Tata Steel as a mining engineer. For 5 years I was in mines, and then shifted to marketing of Tata Cement in Kolkata and then Raipur. Sales, I was heading, not heading, I was supporting the head in Chhattisgarh, MP and Maharashtra, Lafarge Cement. And in 2002, after 10 years, I undergone this kind of training and realized that, okay, this education is not available in engineering or management. So most of the people who were engineers were devoid of these distinctions or these wisdom. And I thought this is the need of the hour. The main thing is not being shared to other people. So that's a real, real thing is not being shared. So I thought, why not to join this line, being a trainer. And in 2002, I left the job immediately after doing the program and shifted to Bombay. So in last 12 years, I have been doing research in this area of training and development and management consultancy, and came out with this concept after 10 years of research. So TMBA, which we started last year. It was a day program last year, 10 to 6 in Santander, which used to happen in Dr. PNC Center. And this year, we thought to make it residential to be more impactful and powerful in its effect. In this program, the first semester is mainly devoted to transformation. Transformation is the way of looking at life, transformed way of looking at life. And next 3 semesters, especially second semester, is more focused on finance, and third and fourth is on strategy, operations, supply chain management. So those business management thing, which is really the core and heart of the program, that has been adopted from after doing the research on various topics. When we started last year, there were times when only 5 people were there, 6 people were there, but we continued because it's a research and development that's the one. And every time it has become stronger. Like if I see 17, 18, 19 quality of participant, and I see today's quality of participant, 100% up. Similarly, I see the quality of things happening here, like infrastructure, that's going to be 100% up. So by the end of the year, we plan that the infrastructure here and the quality of program both should be of that standard. Why even the end of the year, even mid of the year, say June, we want that to be best in the world. So that's the benchmark. And this is my intention of participation in the program. Like these 3 days, as a faculty, I am also expecting and intending for something. That's my intention. One of the intentions. And for that, I will certainly request you that at the end of the session, 3-day session, you certainly give your feedback. That suppose you would have been Ratan Tata or Murthy or somebody of that stature and you are participating in the program, what would have you been expecting on both the count, quality of training and the infrastructure, such that those feedback will help the system to improve. So this is one request from my side. I will also like to know from you, what's your intention? What is that you are expecting from this program? You have been knowing about this program a little bit, based on what you have heard from your friend like Rahul, or from me, or from Mr. Sunil, or from Mr. Ranga. आपके पास जो भी आपको सुनाई दिया उसके आधार पे आपका कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशन होगा या इंटेंशन होगा हो, या फिर इस प्रोग्राम से नहीं हो सकता है लाइफ से आपका कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशन हो, इंटेंशन हो. I want to accomplish this in my life. You can share that. Our promise is you will get it. You will get it. Our promise is that you will be given enough tools and techniques to get those ambitions, expectations, intentions. That's clear. Naturally, how much you practice that, that's the major part of it. The more you practice, the more you get it. I remember when I was doing the program in Landmark, I will take the name, very good organization. I was taking the training on the third day. The phone reader asked me, the trainer asked me that, how many of you will be enrolling? How many people? I said 80 people. It was a good number, and I had only 8 hours in my hand because it was the evening on that day. Next day, from 10 o'clock only, I can work after taking the brochure. And I was in Bangalore, and I was at that time working in Raipur. I was new to Bangalore. Bangalore नई जगह रहते हुए भी मैंने 80 का टारगेट किया और फिर सुबह 10 बजे शाम पहुंच गया उनके ऑफिस में, क्योंकि ट्रेनिंग में बताया कि टाइम का बहुत वैल्यू है, आपका वर्ड का बहुत कीमत है। पहले ये सब नहीं मालूम था, पहले इधर काम तो कर ही रहा हूँ ना, ठीक है 9 बजे सुबह आने का था, नहीं आया, बट रात को 12 बजे तक तो काम किया ना। I have worked late in night, so why are you expecting me early in the morning? So those were my conversation. That is not. It's a, if you have given word 9 o'clock, that is 9 o'clock. Either you don't give, but if you have given, that is so. Those distinctions were not with me. Anyway, so when I learned that, I was sharp at 10 o'clock. I took 80 or 100 brochures and moved around Bangalore colleges. One college, no. 2 college, they also said no, we don't have time for your lecture and all. 4th college, said please come. By that time I was really committed. Yeah, it is completely depending on our commitment. I was really committed because my train time was about to, happen. Like 4 p.m. was the time by which I had to board the train, and it was like 2 or something like that. So I have to deliver my lecture, or to the people, or to introduce them to the program. And I introduced the program to around 200 students, and I became trainer on that. Because one of my expectations was to be a trainer in the program, the landmark program. And there was no formula how to be trainer. There is no formula how to be a swimmer. You have to swim. There is no program how to do bicycling. You have to ride on the cycle. Simple. Similarly, there is no program of how to be successful. You have to play the game to be successful. Simple. Play the game is, in this case, you will come to know, we will share about that. Most important thing is enrollment. We will discuss more about it. Anything you want is available out of inventing the possibility and enrolling others. आप जो भी चाहते हैं अपनी जिंदगी में आप पा सकते हैं, यदि आपने उसको लक्ष्य बना लिया, उसको संभव मानते हैं, और फिर उसके लोगों को इन्वॉल्व करते हैं। लोगों को इन्वॉल्व करते हैं। That's the most important thing. We normally don't do that. हमसे अकेले से जो काम करवाना है करवा लो भाई। कंप्यूटर मेरा अच्छा है, टेक्निकली आई एम वेरी गुड, ईमेल, ब्लास्ट, एनालिसिस, डाटा, सब चीज मैं कर सकता हूँ, मेरे को लोगों को इनरोल करने वाला हूँ। और लोग ना बोलते हैं ना, आई रियली डोंट लाइक इट, एंड इफ दे से नो, आई वांट टू ब्रेक देयर हेड, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट कमिटेड टू सच ए गुड थिंग। So, inventing the possibility and enrolling others into it. We will go more detail into it, and we will do it. So anything is possible. So I had enrolled 80 people, 100 people. I became whatever I wanted. I shifted to Bombay because these were the 2 missions for me in 2002. Shift to Bombay and become a trainer. Both the things have been accomplished in 30 days plan. 30 days because it was a notice period. Otherwise it would have been 1 day. So, this is the promise of the program, that anything you want is available. Anything includes everything. Anything is, our mind thinks anything but not this. I'm not talking about that kind of thing. I'm saying anything includes everything. So, With this background, I want to know what you are expecting or intending in your life. Who will like to share? You can give your introduction a little bit and then you can share. What do you want in your life or from this program? Both. Whatever you want to share. And I tell you, you can take the maximum advantage by sharing, participating in the program. You know, like, take a risk. People may not like what you say, but that's all right. Because it's the safest place. Nobody is going to harm you. We are all here to support each other. Right? So anybody wants to say anything? How was the day for you? आप सुबह से आए, कैसा रहा? आप जमशेदपुर से आए, आप दिल्ली से आए. What was the things that was going on in your head? क्या हो रहा है? क्या नहीं हो रहा है? Whatever you want to say, this is your time. So आपके साथ क्या हो रहा है और क्या सोच रहे हैं? Yes. हम अपने बारे में थोड़ा बताएं. जमशेदपुर सबसे दूर से आप ही आए. नहीं बड़ा देखना चाहते हैं आपको. जमशेदपुर के आप हैं, टाटा की नगरी से.
Actually, I don't. It happened in just a one call that I am here. I just called one of my friend that I am looking for a change. Since long I am working with one company. I was working with a vendor company in Tata Steel. So I was looking for a change and I called my friend that I am looking for a change, and he just gave me one number that call this person. He may help you. So
sorry, this Jamshedpur people are all liar or what? I'm from Jamshedpur, right?
okay.
All Jamshedpur people are liar or what? That's my question.
What?
I tell you, because those who has introduced you to this, Mr. Sunil
Yeah.
is a big liar. I remember there was a program going on, and in the program, like he attended a landmark forum. In the program, he asked 300 people, very encouraging, do you know who Mr. Naveen Chaudhary is? And you know, by the end of that day, everybody was looking for where is Naveen Chaudhary. He put the brand so big. I was not. I didn't want my name to be famous. We put the brand like the forum leader might be thinking who is Naveen Chaudhary, and I was just like learning at that time in Landmark Forum, and everybody was looking for who is Naveen Chaudhary. Like, so that's my background of saying say the fact. True. Okay, go ahead.
So I called up that person and just had a word with him, and he told me about this is Naveen Chaudhary brand famous. not too much. He told me that yes, I have one friend and he may help you. I will give his number to you, and you talk to him. Then I called and he told about me there is a training, and I really don't know what the training is, what is the main plan of what he is planning for, what is his future plan, and what is he gave me a few ideas on all, but everything can't be put up in mail or any website. So even I have checked the website, there are many things which I was not clear, and then also I planned, I thought that I will see what exactly it is. फिर मन में था कि नहीं, मैं जाके देखूंगा, मतलब ऐसे कोई मैं किसी की सुनी हुई बातों पे विश्वास नहीं करूंगा. ट्रूली मैं जाके देखूंगा, मैं ट्रेनिंग अटेंड करके मैं डिसाइड करूंगा कि हाँ मैं मतलब क्या ट्रेनिंग थी, और फिर मैं मतलब खुद को सेटिस्फाई करूंगा. किसी के बोलने पे नहीं वहाँ ये होगा, ऐसा होगा, फलाना होगा, ढिमकाना होगा. That was to clear things. I am here, and since morning it was nice. I was मतलब बहुत अच्छी जगह लगी. इतना खुला तो हम शायद गाँव में ही देखते थे, शहरों में तो इतना खुला देखने को मिलता नहीं है. तो बहुत अच्छा लगा काफी. मैं भी मतलब सोचता हूँ काश मेरा भी यहाँ एक मकान हो और आगे गार्डन हो, ऐसे हर कोई थिंकिंग होती है. तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. And nice, we have started the training. Let's see what we will learn, and surely I think that I will learn more, and I will let others also know that.
What do you want in your life? क्या बनना चाहते हैं आप अपने?
First of all, a good person, and of course,
गुड तो आप है ही.
of course, anything which I do, I will gain success in that, and let the people also know me. And I think I want to become a leader. At least I can, whatever I'll do, the people will follow. If I'll do good, then people will also say that yeah, he's doing this, then we should also do this.
वेरी गुड. एक्चुअली यू आर अ लीडर इन द सेंस जमशेदपुर से यहाँ पे कितने लोग आए हैं या इस तरह के ट्रेनिंग में कितने अटेंड किए हैं? मैंने लैंडमार्क फोरम पे रिकॉर्ड को चेक किया. नॉट मोर देन 4 to 5 people had attended from Jamshedpur. Mr. Sunil Jha is one here. This kind of program, you know, and you are so like you are already a leader that kind of. Good. Thanks for sharing. Good. Sir. Very good. Excellent. बहुत मजा आया. Yes. और I tell you, you are really for the shock. By the time you will go on the third day, you will realize, oh my God. You know, like I was thinking like this, and life is like this. I will not say 180 degree. I will say 90 degree. मैं इधर जा रहा हूँ यार. ऐसा था. ऐसा में है रास्ता. I could see that. So be open for a lot of things which will really shock you. Because I was in Jamshedpur and 30 years, 32 years, whatever I had learned about life, and then I saw it is not that. This. So good. Yes, sir. Ranga Saab, I really want to acknowledge Ranga Saab. He is a great support. He is a transformational leader, and he is someone to whom I look up to get trained. I got trained with him in metaphysics, on transformation also. I have one thing to learn from his the production side of it, like the space side of it. I could not manage. I didn't manage yesterday time. He has asked me to do that, so I apologize, sir. I will do that. But I am committed that I will make it happen. And with me, Ranga Saab will also intervene anytime he wishes to. So the intention is that nothing should come in the way of you and your goal. That's the intention. And this kind of education is so much required for almost everybody on this planet, that we will require thousands of faculties. So it's like endless thing, and it is taking whatever it takes to create such kind of thing, and we are prepared to do that. So you want to say?
Morning. One thing I wanted to say that I got back into transformation after 2 years. After 2 years of my break with my health, and when I came back, I said making something possible is possible. Giving excuses is the lame thing and the easiest thing that I can do. To make an event happen at such a place and to make it in such a way that you will be left with utmost satisfaction of being served. And this is an attempt that we all stand for. So at any given time, at any point, you feel that you are not being served or taken care of or not feeling provided, please do feel free to tell us. It's a team that we are working with, and how to make it better. I will ask each one of you all, because you know how to make it better. At no point I can say that this is the best. If any suggestions, please speak up. This is my request.
Yeah. Whether breakfast is ready?
Ready?
Okay. So, thank you for that. We will take a break for how much time? 20 minutes?
Each one of us. Is it possible? Are you all allowing to play that game? One, managing our existence in a team space is our responsibility. Expecting someone else to manage me is also possible, but currently we say we own the space and we are responsible. Anyone who doesn't want to play the game can put your hand up. It's fine. All again, players, can I have your hand up that you are going to play the game that way? Are you willing to play the games?
Like you are asking that owning up the place and the cleanliness.
Being responsible for the space. The way it is provided, how can I keep it better than what it was? The space is given to the utmost knowledge that we have. And can we make it better than what it is? So we are responsible rather than expecting someone to be responsible.
Like after 3 days when we leave, this place should be better than when we came here. So that's what you are communicating, sir.
And during the days, 3 days that we are here, we are going to make it, look impeccable. Every minute that you come, you feel, oh my God, it's as clean as I know, as clean as that.
Done, sir.
Okay? Time. Manage your time. Asking someone to manage your time is a little difficult. Is that possible? We have to align ourselves. What is the time in our watches so that we know are we ahead, backward, whatever it is. If it is 20 minutes, you check your time. Don't expect everyone to come, then I will come, then I will come, then I will come. It doesn't work. How about being first? You say that I am the line of one, not a follower. Followers are plenty. A leadership quality is all about being a line of one. I stand for my leadership because I am leading my life, not someone else leading my life. Is it possible? Can I hear it?
Yes.
Good, thank you. Third is instructions. Anything that you want, please make sure that you are informing me. I am in charge of the place. My job is to provide whatever you want. However, it has to be managed, I will manage. If people are ordering everywhere else, it doesn't happen, it leaves a bitterness. If you have said it to me, how to make it happen is my responsibility. Tell me that this is what I want, it shall be done. Is that okay, sir?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah is not coming as it is.
Yes.
Thank you. So these are the 3 basic rules. If anything else comes up, I shall inform you. Okay?
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. We are breaking at 10:32 by this watch. So 10:52 we will be back. Thanks. चलेगा तो चलेगा, ठीक है. And or we may be in a space where we are thinking, जहाँ पे हम सोच रहे हैं कि ना अब चढ़ाई किया ही जाए, enough of rest. तो हम लोग किसी भी स्पेस में हो सकते हैं. तो आप किस जगह पे हैं, कहाँ पे, वो आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करना चाहिए चाहते हैं. आप कैसे, वो भी आप ऐड कर सकते हैं आपके कम्युनिकेशन में. ये मैं इस पड़ाव पे हूँ, इधर से इधर जा रहा हूँ या इधर जाना चाहता हूँ, या आप में से कोई दुविधा में भी होंगे, हो सकता है कभी कोई होता है ये वाला चुनूं कि ये वाला चुनूं. Whatever may be the space, it is all right. It's perfectly all right. हम लोग बात कर रहे थे, सर को मैं एक ईमेल भेजा था, इससे बात हुई थी कि one of the cardinal principle is that every human being is perfect, whole and complete. हर व्यक्ति परफेक्ट है, होल है, कंप्लीट. हम सब हैं, परफेक्ट है, होल है, कंप्लीट है. हो सकता है हम में कुछ बैरियर है जिससे कि हम उसको देख नहीं पा रहे हैं, ये अलग बात है. हम उसको अनुभव नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, वो अलग बात है. लेकिन हम एक्चुअली में परफेक्ट. ये अपना हिंदू शास्त्र में भी हम लोग यही बोलते हैं कि ब्रह्मास्मि हम ही यूनिवर्स है, आई एम द यूनिवर्स। परफेक्शन में चल रहा है यूनिवर्स के सारे प्लैनेट अपना परफेक्ट गति के साथ चल रहे हैं। जैसा हम लोगों ने बात की थी कि क्या गति है कि धर्मेंद्र का टाइमिंग और राजू का टाइमिंग एग्जैक्टली है, वो भी इगतपुरी में पूरा परफेक्शन है। और उस पूरे परफेक्ट डिजाइन में हम चिंता करते रहते हैं। सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम हमारा ये माइंड जो है ना, इट्स अ वेरी डेंजरस थिंग, इट्स डबल एज स्वॉर्ड। जैसे माचिस को बोलते हैं कि इसका दोनों काम हो सकता है, ये दिया भी जला सकता है और घर भी जला सकता है। वैसा ही ये माइंड का काम है। ये माइंड आपको नेचुरली ये सारे चीज सोचने के लिए क्रिएशन थिंकिंग ये सारा माइंड से भी करते हैं हम लोग। और यही माइंड हम लोगों को देखिए क्या क्या करवाता रहता है, हम लोगों को इतना छोटा बना देता है। ये सारा इस माइंड से होता है। तो यदि ये विवेक अपने अंदर आ जाए कि ये माइंड का कहाँ पे उपयोग करना है और कहाँ पे माइंड का उपयोग नहीं करना है। जैसे आपको एग्जांपल बताऊं, हमारे जो डायरेक्टर हैं MBA कॉलेज की डॉक्टर मृणालिनी इस बार नहीं आ पाए, तो उन्होंने एक लिस्ट बनाया था कि क्या क्या चीज की जरूरत पड़ेगी। तो उन्होंने एक ये बोला था हॉट वाटर के लिए उसकी जरूरत पड़ेगी, और दूसरा चीज मिसिंग है वन लाइब्रेरी के लिए अलमीरा काइंड ऑफ थिंग। ये दो चीज उन्होंने लिस्ट में लिखा था। While I was going through the list, आज मॉर्निंग में तो I saw that these two things are missing. अब ये दो चीज मिसिंग है ना, तो ये करना है, उसमें फिर दिमाग जब हम लोग लगाने लगते हैं, we start applying our mind. ठीक है, काम तो चल ही जाएगा। लाइब्रेरी का अभी कौन सा लोग पढ़ने वाले हैं, फिर तो 3 दिन के बाद चले ही जाएंगे, फिर 3 दिन बाद आएंगे, फिर कोर्स में रहेंगे। सॉरी, यदि उस लिस्ट में था और आपने यदि ओके किया तो डन है। फिर अब दिमाग उसके बाद नहीं लगाया जाता। हम लोग किसी को बोलते हैं 9 बजे में आपसे मिलेंगे, जब 9 बजे जाने का टाइम आने लगता है तब दिमाग लगने लगता है, अरे जाने का जरूरत है क्या। नॉर्मली मत लगाइए अनलेस और until there is some serious commitment colliding, then it is a different issue. Life and death matter है तो आप फिर बात कर ही सकते हैं, sorry this that or otherwise normally don't apply your brain. So these are some of the places where we don't have to apply mind but we keep on applying. Similarly हम लोगों ने कहा कि यूनिवर्स का जो डिजाइन है कितना परफेक्ट है, और हम लोग उसमें अपना जो है दिमाग लगा देते हैं। फिर क्या होगा भाई, इसके बाद तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा, फिर और गड़बड़ हो जाएगा, फिर और गड़बड़ हो जाएगा। That should we do? So, I'm interested to listen from you. What are that you are expecting in your life? What are you that you are committed to cause in your life? What is that which is very important for your life? What is that you want very desperately and you don't know how to get it? आप एकदम चाहते हैं उसे जी जद्दो जान से चाहते हैं, लेकिन आप उसको जानते नहीं कैसे पाए। What is that? Yes,
I mean, I'm always wanted to be on my own, and now is the time. The recession, job is gone, ideas बहुत है, और 6-7 महीनों से मैं बोलते भी जा रहा हूँ. I'm enrolling other people. I've come up with my flyers, my mission statement, vision statement. उससे क्या होता है, मेरा आइडिया की गहराइयों तक पहुँचता हूँ. I have kept meeting people and कैसे help हो. Still there is a gap कम होता है, but it's वो startup होने में, वो first click मिलने में जो वो frustration आता है, तो I get soaked back. वो सब difficulties अभी आ रही है, but एक कुछ मिल जाए. Since I was coming with so उन्होंने भी वही सेम बातें बोली तो ideas didn't match. It helped me. Good that I came. How I came to you, how I came to know about this program. वो 2 दिन पहले की बात है और आपने बोला आ जाओ तो मैं बोला आता हूँ. It was an initiative from my end.
You know, it is very surprising. There are so many MBA finance in this class. Out of 6, 8, 9 people, राजू को मान लीजिए हम ग्रेजुएट नहीं मानते हैं. तो 8 people में how many are MBA finance? 2, right? 3. Sir is also no. 3. 3. Okay, you are the finance teacher. You know, beyond that, beyond MBA finance. तो 3 लोग MBA finance is इसी को रेशो 30%, 40% of the people is MBA finance. And you know, this is giving some direction of the universe that is sending some signal. And as far as you have said that you have come just like that, there was an NGO meeting and on that day he came. NGO meeting was there. And he came and there were many people and also one of the trustee thought he also wants something like he didn't know that he is thinking for something.
Okay, that was also an NGO meeting going on.
That was the NGO. Those people were
Okay.
or some this things and this thing is the name of Sai Baba. Sai Empowerment Foundation. Shirdi Sai Baba Empowerment Foundation. Like anybody, any place is missing something or wanting something, and like at this point of time, mostly education is needed. What we are talking about. But some place it is not education. They want a bare minimum of 2 chapatis.
Yeah.
At that time, you can't talk about education. You have to give them chapati. So that's the part of NGO. Though we are trying to make it still guidance and empowerment oriented, but it needed we give some money also. And timely on that day we gave. So that is it signifies something. Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah, so I mean, definitely I was also looking for a training opportunity and I'm training in Bombay colleges. That is primarily to support myself. That is how I bootstrap my organization. And I've always wanted to, I mean, last 4-5 years, सभी बोल रहे हैं यार equity market से निकल जाओ. मैंने भी बहुत देख लिया है. It's a good place to invest, but salary उस पे नहीं हो सकती है. Wanting to take my knowledge to MSME sectors, businesses with social impact, and wanting to become an incubator, wanting to have my fund. ये सब dreams है. But उसको channelize करने के लिए, I would want to move ahead and ahead. So कहीं मतलब click नहीं होता है. I'm moving ahead. 2 लोगों से मिलता हूँ, आज सर से मिल लिया. So ऐसा लगता है. But जब तक वो output नहीं आता है, results नहीं आता है, तो frustration आता है. But I tell you, 3 months, 4 months पहले अगर पूछता तो ये भी मेरी situation नहीं थी. But उसका turnaround time कितना fast होगा, I mean, वो God knows.
That's what I told you. The universe has a perfect plan for each one of us. We apply our mind and we get into different directions. Many times has happened, जहाँ मुझे direction का जानकारी नहीं है, कहाँ जाना है? Suppose I have to go to Professor Ramji's place. My intuition and heart says, go this way and see this is the right place, place where I have to go. And my mind immediately will apply. नहीं इधर लग रहा है. And after going for next 1 kilometer or half kilometer, and suddenly you check. I have just छोड़ा है सर. ये तो सोच रहा था मैं. So like if we are guided and we listen to our heart, a lot of things are really so effortless. But we apply our mind there. That is one of the things that we need to really acknowledge. Just acknowledge. Nothing wrong in it. Mind is there. It is doing its job. Sometimes it's overdoing its job. Sometimes we are exerting too much on this mind. There is one book by this Swami Sukhodana. Oh mind, relax please. Right? I think he might have been having that thing in mind. that mind, please relax. तो हम लोग जो हार्ट और माइंड के बारे में जो बात कर रहे हैं is that how to make a balance, how to really use where it needs to be used. That's important. And coming, yes sir.
There's an important distinction that we need to bring forth as far as usage of mind is concerned. Just take a minute and think, where do we use our mind and why do we use it? Just think, where do we use and why do we use?
ज़्यादातर तो चिंता में यूज करते हैं.
Just think, and then let us take each one's interpretation. Yeah. And whenever we are speaking about ourselves, not about the universal conversation. Remember, the transformation does not speak about generally, dunya, log. It doesn't work. Transformation only works with I, me, and myself. Okay? Yeah. Where do we use and why do we use?
We use in managing the people,
Okay?
managing the relations,
Okay.
Getting solutions, solving problems,
Problems.
solving problems.
Okay. Yes, sir.
कोई प्रॉब्लम आता है तो उस समय हम सोचते हैं उसके लिए सोचते हैं फिर
और
क्यों सोचते हैं इसके लिए कुछ सोल्यूशन के लिए
solution.
getting solution
Only solution. So it's all about thinking of a problem.
and innovation
Very good.
Satisfying ego, इससे मैं आगे कैसे बढ़ूं? All of the greed.
invent possibilities
That is, yeah, invent
Good.
possibilities.
राजू, तुमचं लक्ष देते काय बोलतोय आम्ही? I'm sorry, I'm going to take a little attention to him because we don't know what is he reacting to. You know, he is blind. I am 70% blind, so I can understand where he is.
एंड वो लाइट आग पे पड़ रहा है, दिक्कत हो रही है क्या? तो डायरेक्शन चेंज कर रहे हैं. राजू,
हाँ, तुमचं लक्ष देते की काय बोलतोय आम्ही? पण मराठीमध्ये बोल, तुला नाही आलं तर लक्षात कर, हात वर कर, म्हणजे तुम्ही आलात शिकायला आणि तुम्हाला नाही शिकवलं तर आमचं काम अजून अर्धवट राहते ना. मी विचारला प्रश्न काय माहितीये का, आपण डोकं कधी वापरतो, कशासाठी वापरतो? माइंड. How many times do we think the background of using the mind? म्हणजे बुद्धी वापरायचा आधी आपला हेतू काय आहे याच्यावर कोणी लक्ष देतो का? Anybody who doesn't understand, who understands Marathi? You understand. So it's okay. At least somebody is witnessing. Otherwise, I don't know. I am not a Maharashtrian, but I try to manage to speak. How many of us are actually looking at why am I thinking what I am thinking? Why am I thinking what I am thinking? How many of you are thinking right now? Be very present to yourself. How many of you are thinking right now? If you are thinking, put your hand up. Yeah. What is it?
Thinking about the analysis part, we always do analysis part.
Me? Who's the me? Who's given agreement with him? Do not use me. Say I. When you say I, you are responsible. When you say we, you are escaping. Remember very clearly, हम जनता जनार्दन को जब ये इंक्लूड करते हैं, मुझे जो नहीं कहना है या जो नहीं करना है उसका आधार है, यानी हम सोचते नहीं है। ये भी जो है क्या होगा वहां पे, एनालिसिस। व्हाट एनालिसिस?
किसी भी सब्जेक्ट मैटर पे जो हम लोग एनालाइज करते हैं,
हम लोग
क्या है,
हाँ।
मैं एनालाइज करता हूँ कि ये क्या है, ये कैसे होता है, इसकी कैसे कैसे बनावट स्ट्रक्चर है, इसका स्ट्रक्चर
उसको कहते हैं स्टडी।
स्टडी
स्टडी, आई एम डूइंग अ स्टडीज। कैलकुलेशन क्या है, यानी इसका अभ्यास क्या है, उसके लिए हम लोग दिमाग उसी के लिए दिया हुआ है, ज्ञान बढ़ाने के लिए। पर बाकी समय हम लोग जब भी दिमाग इस्तेमाल करते हैं, उसके पीछे मकसद क्या होता है, हेतु क्या होता है। It's a very delicate subject. We use our mind or mind is using me is a question. I use my mind or mind is using me. How many of you are understanding what I am saying?
I am using mind.
Yeah. But the fact is, the mind is using you. ये चिंता, ये सब जो है, I am using the mind. जहाँ नहीं चाहिए वहाँ दिमाग बेफिजूल लगाना, ये हमारा जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार है, क्योंकि भगवान ने मुझे दिया है और मैं होशियार हूँ, इसी में हम आधे तो मर जाते हैं। हमारी आधी एनर्जी उसी में चली जाती है कि अब मैं क्या करूँ।
और आप भी आगे पागल हो।
हम तो पागल हैं।
यदि पागल बोल बोल के आप बोलते नहीं है, आप सोचते हैं फालतू।
आप यानी
इसमें मीनिंग नहीं है।
हेलो,
आप ही
आप अगर लेक्चर दे रहे हो तो आप यहाँ आ जाओ, मैं वहाँ चले जाऊँ। आपकी बात की है, किसकी बात कर रहे हो? मेरी बात, मैं आधा पागल हूँ। आपने कहा आप आधे पागल हो, तो मैं कहता हूँ मैं आधा पागल हूँ।
हाँ, सॉरी, सर ने बोला आपको लेक्चर देता है।
हेलो,
जैसे कंटिन्यू।
नहीं, आप बोले इसीलिए पूछ रहा हूँ, किसकी बात कर रहे हो आप?
मैं अपनी बात।
तो आप कहा रहे हो?
सॉरी,
आपने आप कहा है तो मैं सीधा मेरे बारे में।
ओह नहीं, मैं अपनी बात बोल रहा हूँ।
आप
नॉर्मली यू बोलते हैं।
North की साइड में
हाँ,
जिम्मेदारी नहीं लेनी हो तो आप कह दो, नॉर्थ साइड की बात नहीं।
जिम्मेदारी से बचने का उपाय करो।
मैंने अपने बारे में थोड़ी कहा, आपके बारे में कहा। मैं आधा पागल हूँ, आपने कहा मैं मंजूर, मैं आधा पागल हूँ। तो आप मेरे बारे में बोले तो ठीक है, और किसी को बताना है अपने बारे में या औरों के बारे में, आप यहाँ आ जाओ, मैं वहाँ चलूँ। सोच, कैसे सोचते हैं हम सोचते हैं, दिमाग का इस्तेमाल हम करते हैं या दिमाग हमारा इस्तेमाल है, इसमें फर्क। नाउ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इज ऑल अबाउट ट्रेनिंग योर ओन माइंड। इज इट अंडर योर कंट्रोल और यू आर अंडर इट्स कंट्रोल?
सुनो बेटा, सच बोलो, बेटा सच बोलो। ये नहीं बोलता था कि इस समय में सच बोलो, इस समय में नहीं बोलो। हम लोग का मत नहीं है, सीधे बोला सच बोलो, सच बोलो, सच बोलो। It's many ways. The more we are on truth, the easier it is to get that, to listen to the heart. The more we are into manipulation, calculation and all those things, playing around with our mind, the more it will take you into different terrain. So, if we can categorize this, we will, whatever have been summarized, and like Granga Sahab has rightly said, that it's about whether we control mind or mind is controlling us. Unknowingly, our mind is controlling us. जाने अनजाने में हमारा जो मस्तिष्क है वो हमें कंट्रोल कर रहा है।
एक्चुअली सर
जी,
वो कह रहा है, हम अधिकांश समय चिंता करते रहते हैं, चिंतन करते ही नहीं। माइंड मेरे कंट्रोल में रहे
Right.
या चिंता में है। और माइंड के कंट्रोल में हम हो गए, बस सबसे हाथ करके बैठ गए, वह था इंड पॉइंट, चिंतन की।
Right? तो ये कैसे करें? प्रश्न उठता है, how to do it? ये तो अब सबको मोटे मोटे मालूम हो गया कि this mind is playing havoc. ये तो क्लियर हो गया, चिंता कर रहा है या डरा रहा है या लालच दे रहा है, जो भी चीज है, ये समझ में आ गया है कि अब इसको कंट्रोल करना या इस पे मास्टरी करना, यही एक रास्ता है। ये भी समझ में आ रहा है थोड़ा बहुत? We will deal with. Now we will deal with one by one. ठीक है? Problem solving and getting solution. ये दोनों एक ही चीज है। Now, if you solve any problem, the solution itself is another problem. Have you ever thought? कभी आपने सोचा है कि एक प्रॉब्लम को जब आप सॉल्व करते हैं तो जो सॉल्यूशन है वो भी अपने आप में एक, लेट मी गिव यू एग्जांपल टू मेक इट मोर क्लियर। तुम लोग पति पत्नी थे, राइट? अभी बच्चों की जरूरत हुई, बच्चे हो गए, एक सॉल्यूशन हो गया कि अरे यार थोड़ा बच्चे भी होने चाहिए, थोड़ा उसके साथ भी खेलेंगे कूदेंगे। अब बच्चे हो गए तो बच्चे को स्कूल भेजने का प्रॉब्लम। अच्छा, अब स्कूल में भेजा तो अच्छा इसमें तो फर्स्ट उस करने लगा, अब इसको थोड़ा और बेहतर स्कूल में भेजें, वो प्रॉब्लम। कौन सा बेहतर स्कूल है उसको फिर खोजा, फिर उसको सॉल्व किया तो उसमें ज्यादा फीस लग रहा है, उसको प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने में। ठीक है, वो सबको करके कर दिया, उसके बाद वो अच्छा पढ़ के निकल गया, तो अब इसको IIT में भेजे कि MIT में भेजे, वो प्रॉब्लम। अच्छा, उसमें भी हो गया फाइनली, उसके बाद वो सॉल्यूशन जो निकला कि MIT में हुआ तो MIT में चला गया, लड़का हाथ से बाहर निकल गया, फिर शादी वो एक प्रॉब्लम कि अकेला लड़का इधर उधर हाथ से ना निकल जाए, तो उसका शादी, एक सॉल्यूशन कर दिया, उसको सॉल्व कर दिया कि उसका शादी हो गया। अब वो प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व किया तो पता चला कि अब तो ठीक है, अब दिन दोनों में संबंध ठीक नहीं है, झगड़ा बड़ा करता है, या जॉब में पहले नहीं जॉब करता था तो भी चलता था, अब तो इसको इतना फाइनेंस की जरूरत है तो उसकी बीवी थोड़ी खर्चीली है, वो प्रॉब्लम। उस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने गया तो फिर बाद में दूसरा प्रॉब्लम आ गया कि जो इन-लॉज का ज्यादा इंटरवेंशन हो रहा है। अब ज्यादा इंटरवेंशन को सॉल्व करने का तो दूर हो गया, तो फिर उन्हें कोई ध्यान ही नहीं रख रहा है। Every problem being solved is creating another problem. So, this is how the life going on. All the time we are trying to solve one problem. And the moment we solve that problem, the solution becomes another. So, what is the ultimate solution? I will not say normal solution. What is the ultimate solution? If every solution is a problem, what is the solution, ultimate solution? And again, yeah. So we are discussing about problem solving and getting solution. Every problem, you solve this, another problem. You solve this, another problem. You solve this, another problem.
चिंता करना तो सॉल्यूशन है ही नहीं।
That we have already. So we will deal with it. Then how to be with the problem. How to be with the problem. How to look at the problem. Not from the point of view of solving it, fixing it, but being with it. How to look at it. The problem can be looked at as an opportunity. हम लोग हमेशा बात करते हैं. Instead of solving it, fixing it. प्रॉब्लम जो है उसको हम लोग एक अपॉर्चुनिटी के रूप में देख सकते हैं, बशर्ते कि इसको कैसे सॉल्व करके अंडर द कारपेट किसी तरह से फिक्स कर देना,
किसी तरह जान छुड़ा ले।
जान छुड़ाना, वो जान छुड़ाने मतलब गया यार, वो जान छुड़ाने के लिए गया ना, तो दूसरा जान बड़ा सा वेट कर रहा है।
एक्चुअली सर सॉल्व तो दुनिया में कोई चीज हो ही नहीं सकता है। जिस समय हम मतलब जो स्थिति सॉल्व हो गया तो बस तो इंड हो गया स्थिति का, व्यवस्था का, एटमोस्फेयर का, वो तो सॉल्व होने की चीज ही नहीं।
आपका माइंड बोल रहा है कुछ कुछ।
सब कैसे हम कर सकते हैं सर? संतुष्ट जिस समय हो गए उस समय हम खत्म हो गए। संतुष्टि करना।
Okay. Point well taken. Yes. So how to किस प्रॉब्लम जब है हमारे सामने में तो उसको देखे कैसे?
देखिए कैसे, यही महत्वपूर्ण है।
वो ज्यादा
यही महत्वपूर्ण
बस ऐसे कि जल्दी से उससे छुड़ा के भाग जाए या उसको कुछ न कुछ करके डिफीट कर दे, जीत जाए। So that is giving some access. Okay. चिंता हम लोगों ने बात करी है, we are very clear about it. It is not going to solve the problem. Managing people तो ठीक ही है, मैनेज पीपल में यदि आपके कंट्रोल में है तो मैनेज कर रहा है, नहीं कंट्रोल में है तो प्रॉब्लम कर रहा है। ईगो सेटिस्फैक्शन। ईगो is, I am using few terminology which will help you or which will support you in raising the conversational paradigm, which can encompass the large dimensions, many dimensions of life. So ego satisfaction, we can give it the word called identity. Ego satisfaction, identity, मेरा identity. Now जहां पे मैं और मेरा आ गया, the possibility is not there. वहां संभावना नहीं रहती है। अभी मैं अपने बारे में खाली 5 मिनट बोला तो आपने बर्दाश्त कर लिया, ठीक है भाई, इंजीनियरिंग किया, मैनेजमेंट करी, यदि इसको 3 बार बोल रहे तो कितना देर बर्दाश्त करेगा? भाई समझ में आ गया तू कौन है, अब आगे भी पढ़ो। सो इमेजिन ये मैं मेरा ईगो सेटिस्फैक्शन क्या एबव क्रिएट कर सकता है किसी भी व्यक्ति के साथ। वहां पॉसिबिलिटी फिर नहीं रहता है, जहां आइडेंटिटी रहता है वहां संभावना नहीं रहती, पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं रहती। इसको बड़ा अच्छा हिंदी में किसी कवि ने कहा है, जब मैं था तो हरि नहीं, जब हरि है तो मैं ना। बड़ा सिंपल है। आइडेंटिटी जहां है वहां पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है, हरि मीन्स पॉसिबल, और जहां पॉसिबिलिटी है वहां मैं कहां है, वो तो उसमें लीन हो गया। वेरी सिंपल। सो this will give an idea of how to live life. Why am I thinking what am I thinking? This is important, you know. This will be achieved only when you are in control of your mind. अभी तो पता ही नहीं चल रहा है कि why किधर है, what किधर है, where किधर है. The mind is continuously 24 hours, it's working so fast. दिन रात काम कर रहा है तो ये समझने का मौका ही नहीं मिल रहा है कि क्या मैं सोच रहा हूँ, कब सोच रहा हूँ, क्यों सोच रहा हूँ. It's not in our hand. It's not in our control. Study, okay? I'm using mind or mind. That's what we are saying. We don't know what is happening. One line we can suddenly, हम लोग एक लाइन में यही बोल सकते हैं कि mind is using us. क्योंकि हम लोगों के पास वो फैकल्टी नहीं है, वो कैपेबिलिटी नहीं है कि उस माइंड को मैनेज या कंट्रोल कर सके. It's beyond our control. Innovation, it will take place only when it is in our control or in our. So good that we have heard about we have talked about mind. So it looks that all of us wants to have the mastery on mind, right? Such that we can use our mental faculty better. Why? Got that. And do you think that if you use your mental faculty better, will you be able to fulfill your purpose?
At least I'll be more effective.
Okay. So that means it is not guarantee that we will achieve result, right?
Yeah.
So what is the guarantee? We discussed earlier. Inventing the possibility and enrolling others in it. That's the guarantee. Now how to do it? How to enroll others? Naturally, one of the facet is एक दूसरे को कैसे हम कन्विंस करें, इंस्पायर करें, उसके लिए एक फैसेट ये है कि माइंड कम से कम हमारा अपना कंट्रोल में हो. Right? So we can see that this is one facet of it. Okay. So we are sure, Manish, that by the time we complete this program, 3 days, you will get an access. You will know that what is that I want. And it is not that at the end of 3rd day it may be in 1 minute, next 1 minute. So be open for getting that. Be intentional for getting that. What is that I am here for? हम यहाँ किस purpose के लिए हैं? Then the whole thing is complete. Good. Anything else you want to share?
No, that's it.
Okay. Would you like to share anything about your family?
My family, okay. Yeah, I'm married, just married. 8 months back. And my mom is a housewife. My wife is a professor now. She is doing a PhD. She is an engineer and doing a PhD. And my brother, he shifted to Singapore. And he is with IBM Singapore now. Because he was here with IBM India, now IBM Singapore. And my bhabhi, she is an ophthalmologist. Now she will be starting a practice in Singapore after the exams over there are over. And I have a nephew. And my brother, as I had discussed, he will be today in the evening, he will be coming to India. That's what I have told you. My father used to work with the Maharashtra State Electricity Board. He expired in 2003. So that is my family.
Thanks for sharing. Yes. Who else?
Marshal Bhadev Upadhyay, and I am working as a area manager in Precious Pharma, so it's a pharmaceutical company.
Either I can louder बोलिए और leaders. Some of you, everybody wants to know about it.
Hello friends, Marshal Bhadev Upadhyay, and working as a area sales manager in pharmaceutical company like Precious Pharma. And but I am saying that I am working as a area manager but not success. My salary is around 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs as a Churchgate to Dahanu, and we cannot extend it, we cannot increase it. So therefore my boss Mr. D.N. Thakur has told me that you meet with Mr. Naveen Chaudhary, and we are trying to join since last 1 year, but we have not getting an opportunity. And today is a good day that I have got an opportunity for joining this organization and this training center. तो मेन पर्पज हमारा यह था कि क्योंकि बॉस भी बोलते थे और हम लोग भी तो एक ऐसा स्टेप आता था कि यार अभी एरिया मैनेजर हो कि रीजनल मैनेजर कैसे बनना है, सेल्स मैनेजर कैसे बनना है, जनरल मैनेजर कैसे बनना है. लेकिन बनना तो तब होगा जब हम एज एरिया मैनेजर सक्सेसफुल हो, तब तो रीजनल मैनेजर बनेंगे. जब या तो एक सर भी हमारे कहते थे कि आपके सामने भी एक बार चर्चा हुई थी कि नवीन जी मैं खुद सक्षम हूँ लेकिन मैं अपने साथ में 10 सक्षम लोग को नहीं जोड़ पाता. और वो प्रॉब्लम शायद मेरा भी ऐसा हो गया है कि मैं तो सक्षम हूँ, मैं आज भी जो बिजनेस करता हूँ वो मेरे दम पे, जो मैंने कन्वर्ट करके दिया वही आज हमारे जो कलीग्स हैं वो करते हैं. लेकिन नथिंग कैन बी एक्सटेंड इंक्रीज. और अभी मैं चाह के भी अगर 5 लड़का 6 लड़का हमारे अंडर में है तो सबके साथ तो महीने भर काम नहीं कर सकता. 5 दिन किया, 4 दिन किया, महीने में तो प्रॉब्लम ये होता है कि जब मैं काम किया तो वो तो उस दिन दिखाएंगे हाँ ये इसको मिला है, ये मिला है. मैं उनको बोले कि यहाँ पे ये प्रॉब्लम है तो मैं गया, सॉल्व भी किया, सोल्यूशन भी निकाल लिया, लेकिन नेक्स्ट वर्किंग डे में वो उसको इम्प्लीमेंट भी नहीं कर पाते हैं. तो किसी डॉक्टर को मैंने कन्वर्ट भी किया तो नेक्स्ट टाइम वो उस ढंग से बात नहीं कर पाए, जैसे डॉक्टर भी बोल गया और हम भी बोल गए. बिजनेस अपना जो इंक्रीज होना चाहिए वो नहीं होता। अब जब बिजनेस इंक्रीज नहीं होगा, धंधा आएगा नहीं, तो हमको अगर हमारे रिक्वायरमेंट आज 50,000 का है, हमको मिलता है 20,000 या 30,000, तो रिक्वायरमेंट फुलफिल नहीं होगा। और जब एरिया मैनेजर सक्सेस होंगे तब रीजनल मैनेजर बनेंगे। रीजनल मैनेजर बनने के लिए एटलीस्ट 3 एरिया मैनेजर आपके अंदर होना चाहिए, 15-20 कलीग्स होने चाहिए। तो इसमें हम